ServSafe Food Protection Manager Certification Exam Practice Test. Question 1. When considering safe temperature for ground pork, what is the standard? 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 68 degrees Celsius. Ground pork requires 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 2. A food safety manager must remember that PCO stands for is Pest Control Officer, Pest Control Owner, Pest Control Operator, Professional Cleaning Operator. A PCO is a licensed professional for pest management. Question 3. When monitoring Vibrio vulnificus, one must look for virus, toxin, bacteria in oysters, parasite. Vibrio is linked to raw or undercooked shellfish. Question 4. The definition of handwashing water temperature in the FDA Food Code is warm, at least 100 degrees Fahrenheit, ice cold, cold, boiling. Handwashing water should be at least 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 38 degrees Celsius. Question 5. The most critical factor in vacuum-packed food risk is Salmonella, norovirus, Listeria, botulism. Anaerobic environments in vacuum packs risk C. Botulinum. Question 6. Which is a key component of safe temperature for pasta for hot holding? 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 57 degrees Celsius. Plant foods like pasta need 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 7. The correct way to measure cooking temperature for seafood is 145 degrees Fahrenheit, 63 degrees Celsius, 165 degrees Fahrenheit, 74 degrees Celsius, 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 57 degrees Celsius, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 68 degrees Celsius. Seafood should be cooked to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 8. Documentation for danger zone temperature range must include 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 150 degrees Fahrenheit, 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, 41 degrees Fahrenheit to 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Bacteria grow rapidly between 41 degrees Fahrenheit and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 9. What is the best practice for Clostridium perfringens, virus, chemical, bacteria in stews/gravies, parasite? This bacteria grows in large quantities of food. Question 10. When monitoring thawing food safely, one must look for on the counter, in the refrigerator, in warm water, under the sun. Safe methods include refrigeration, running water, microwave, or cooking. Question 11. The standard procedure for light intensity in walk-ins includes 10-foot candles, 20 FC, 100 FC, 50 FC. Storage areas only need 10-foot candles. Question 12. To ensure quality, safe temperature for eggs for hot holding must follow 135 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 155 degrees Fahrenheit, 68 degrees Celsius, 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Hot-held eggs require 155 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 13. To prevent illness, minimum lighting in prep areas must be 10-foot candles, 100-foot candles, 20-foot candles, 50-foot candles. Prep areas require the brightest light, 50-foot candles. Question 14. The primary concern with cooling food step 1 is 135 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees Fahrenheit in 4 hours, 70 degrees Fahrenheit to 41 degrees Fahrenheit in 2 hours, 135 degrees Fahrenheit to 70 degrees Fahrenheit in 4 hours, 135 degrees Fahrenheit to 70 degrees Fahrenheit in 2 hours. Phase 1, cool from 135 to 70 in 2 hours. Question 15. Standard operating procedures for symptom requiring exclusion specify: fatigue, jaundice, headache, cough. Food handlers with jaundice must be excluded and reported. Question 16. A health inspector will look for calibration method, ice point to be 32 degrees Fahrenheit 0 degrees Celsius, 0 degrees Fahrenheit minus 18 degrees Celsius, 212 degrees Fahrenheit 100 degrees Celsius, 41 degrees Fahrenheit 5 degrees Celsius. The ice point method involves adjusting the thermometer to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Question 17. To ensure quality, drinking in prep areas must follow: covered container with straw, open cup, bottle, glass. Drinks must have a lid and straw in prep areas. Question 18. A manager must ensure that chemical hazard is handled by mold, degreasers, bones, fungi. Cleaning chemicals like degreasers are chemical hazards. Question 19. A failure in dry storage humidity can lead to 10%, 90%, 50% to 60%, 30%. Dry storage humidity should be between 50 to 60%. Question 20. The most critical factor in labeling root food kept 24H is price, supplier, discard date, cook's name. Label must indicate when the food should be sold/discarded.